All right, hello and welcome to an organic office hour. Um, now I know that you all are currently in the middle of a take-home exam, and unfortunately, I can't help you with that exam. So today's office hours are are a bit restricted. I don't even know if anybody's going to tune in and watch uh, because I know you're all taking the exam. So due to the take home exam, today's organic office hour is restricted to lab content, lab questions. As of Monday, Monday we'll be back to our regular programming. Whoa! Holy moly! That is aliens trying to communicate with us. There we go. So, back on Monday, we'll be answering all questions just like normal. But as of today, right now, I'll only be taking questions relating to lab. So I don't actually know if anybody has um, any lab related questions. If there aren't, then this will be a short stream. But but if there are, I'm totally down to hang out to talk about them, to answer any questions that you have. But but if not, then we'll be wrapping this thing up in short order. It just turned 6:30, which is when our lab office hour starts. So some people may be tuning in or logging in a little late. As of the last time I checked, I haven't received any questions from the organic chemistry crowd. I've been seeing a lot of you guys have been turning in your labs, which is awesome. So I've gotten plenty of those emails today, but I have not yet received any office hour type questions. So yeah, we'll see if this is actually going to go anywhere. Let me check my Canvas inbox. Nothing organic in the mix yet. This is the part where I feel like I'm sitting in a room talking to myself. I see we've got a couple people who are watching, but maybe you don't have any questions yourself, and you're hoping for someone else to ask away. So we'll give it a couple minutes here. So I don't know. It's things are seeming pretty quiet. I didn't expect any. Again, we had office hours on Monday, which is before the exam. So so I wasn't expecting that many because hopefully you guys have your head down working through the take home. Just like my Gen Chem humans are right now. Their take home is due by 11:59 tonight. So it is a amped up day in Chemistry Town. Doo-doo-doo. Ooh. Sorry, I'm for the first time I'm taking a peek at um at my Gen Chem class. Which I realize some of my Gen Chem humans may totally be watching at this moment in time. Um I um I for my Gen Chem I gave half of them a take home, like a written take home exam. And then the other half I gave as a multiple choice online quiz administered through Canvas. This is my first time kind of taking a peek at what their Canvas is looking like. And almost everyone's taken it. So there's a couple scores in here that are super impressive. Okay, well, so let's see. We've been streaming for about what, almost 8 minutes here, and the stream feels pretty dead. So I'm thinking that nobody's actually tuning in to watch, or maybe I've got a couple Gen Chem lurkers. Hoping I'm gonna drop some wisdom. But it's all organic right now. All organic, only lab, due to the nature of the take-home exam. All right. Okay. Well, I'm gonna wait till we're about 15 minutes in. In case you're coming later. I'm gonna log off at 6:45 p.m. If no questions come in. If not, cues come in. If no questions come in. Oop. And in the meantime, I'm going to be checking my my email. Oops. No. So in the absence of any questions, we will call this stream by 7:45 or 6:45, excuse me. I am totally down, by the way. If you roll in, and you're like, oh, he wants to go. No, I totally want to talk OChem. But if none of you want to talk OChem, then I'm going to call the stream and give my wife a hand with the baby. So you could save me from dirty diapers, or you could send me there. The choice is up to you. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. This is really interesting. There's some very interesting statistical analysis available on Canvas quizzes. That is kind of enlightening. If you happen to be watching, I apologize for all the dead noise. I am waiting for a question, hanging out in office hours, checking my emails. Oh. Oh, good question. Good question. As of right now, I'd say orange. I think I'm a roll with orange is my favorite color. That is a good question. Do, do, do. This is what happens when office hours is dead. You start trading emojis with your kids over YouTube. Because your class is giving you nothing better to do. Do, 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 do. Let's see. Well, let's see. YouTube's telling me we have 3 viewers. 1 is you. 1 is me. The third lurks in the darkness. I have no idea who that third viewer is, but if you want to join the chat, we're live and all talkative. Alrighty. Oh. Please don't call me Boomer. You can totally come pick up your phone. All right. Well, we've been kicking it here for a little while. I think we might be calling this stream. Again, just a reminder.
I'm gonna call you a boomer anyway.
Well, you know, worse things have happened.
I swear, there it is.
Sweet.
Finished the spray.
That is awesome. That is awesome. I can't wait to. Oh, let me know how it goes.
Okay.
Alrighty. So just by way of reminder, we will be back with office hours on Monday at 6:30. All are welcome. If you are unable to attend live with us at that time, you can still get your questions answered. Just remember to first, you can email your question. And my FLC email is the following. Oops. So you can get at me here. Make sure that your subject line. Make sure that your subject line is Chem 420 office hours. That way I can for sure get your email. My inbox is going to be flooded with turned in assignments this week. I think I have 2 lab reports coming in, a homework set, and an exam. So if you send in an email that you want for a question that you want answered in office hours, make sure you put this in the subject line so that I can find your question. And then finally, please include a photo of the problem that you're struggling with. That way, I'm not flipping through a book, or if I don't have my book on me, it'll make for a more streamlined live stream if you include that. Thank you all for, well, I don't know My daughter's been the most active person up on this chat. So thank you to her for making my office hours a little more entertaining. Yeah, good luck on your exam, guys. Hit me up with any questions. I hope you have a good weekend, and I will catch you all on the flip side.